Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Naya of AhhhSoNeo, and I'm going to be doing a 6-month wear and tear review today on my beloved Coach May shoulder bag. So if you'd like to see how this purse is holding out after 6 whole months of constant use, then please watch on. Hello my lovelies, welcome back to my channel. This is Naya of AhhhSoNeo saying hello, hope you have been well. I'm doing a review today on my wear and tear on my Coach May bag. This is a very beautiful, stunning bag that last time I checked was on sale on the Coach website. It's ranging up roughly 30 to 40% off. So now is a really good time to get it at a great price. So I wanted to come on here and give you guys like my thoughts and let you know how this bag's been holding up for the last 6 months. So guys, if you're new, thank you so much for coming. I'm sure you're here for the Coach May bag because it's fabulous, great choice. But thank you so much for coming to watch. Stick around, watch the videos, see if you like me. If you do, hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate that. Also hit the notification bell so you can know when I post videos, because I'm still working on that posting schedule, but I'll get there. If you've been here before, you are the real MVP, and I really appreciate you guys coming back to check out my channel. It is amazing, the support that I get on here, and I'm so glad that I have found my YouTube tribe of luxury. Oh yes, let's move on. Coach May shoulder bag, you guys, this bag has been a hit. So many people in love with this bag, just absolutely loving its functionality, its slouchiness. It's so smushy, but it's not the Coach Pillow Tabby, which I thought I was gonna like, but I'm like, yeah, I'm good. So I have this instead. Okay, now see, I've smushed it too much. So this is a pebbled leather. Mine is tricolor. You can get this in plain black, just plain colors, but then I think it also has a burgundy blood ox, maroon, one of those colors. It has one of those as well. It comes in one of those with like a snakeskin tab here, and I think that one has a suede finish to it. That one I know is also on sale, so check it out. The bag also has some feet, and on the interior it is lined with suede with that same blood ox kind of thing. It has multiple, you know, it has one giant pocket and then one of these, so that's really handy. And then it has a back pocket as well that I love because it has that magnetic closure there. So that's it, that's the Coach May bag. Gorgeous bag. It does also come with a long strap, which I don't like to use cross-body straps, especially on a bag this large, so I don't use that, and that is in pristine condition because it's just coiled back in the dust bag. If you're in the US and are interested in the strap, let me know, you know, DM me or something on Instagram and I can send it, you know, I can sell it to you, yeah. But only if you're in the US, because I ship internationally for family and friends, and it's a hassle, so I prefer not to do that. But anyway, so I do have a whole video that talks about this bag and kind of shows it. I have what fits in it. I have like an unboxing of it, all of that. So I'll put that playlist down below. I'll link those videos down below if you want to take a look at that. But I just kind of wanted to come on and show you guys how it's worn, because I think this bag looks fantastic. Okay, I just smushed it and I just created this stupid crease in it here, but I'm sure if I just kind of took care of it a little bit, it would be fine. I know, I love smushing it up. I lied, it's still there. Okay, when you've had it 6 months, don't smush it. Don't smush it. Don't create the creases in the bag, because clearly this is not working. There you go. That looks so much better. There you go. So yeah, let's talk about how the bag is doing. My feet aren't really scratched up too badly, I don't think. It's not. But from what I see, the feet don't look badly scratched up. As a general rule, I don't put purses on the floor. I always have a hook or on a chair, so I wasn't expecting a lot of damage there. I do see a little bit of scratching on the brass hardware here, the big C. Oh, I love the big C because it just reminds me of the Coach belt buckle. It was actually one of the reasons I really wanted this bag was for that big C. So I do see a little like hairline fractures, but hairline fractures, oh Lord, a little hairline scratches, but I don't see silver coming through. So it still looks like brass underneath the scratches. So I'm actually kind of impressed with that. And then there's a little bit of tarnishing on these rings up here, which, you know, I think in general, you know, moving pieces like this that are rubbing against each other, a little bit of tarnishing to me is nothing that bad. I'm sure I could get it cleaned up if I wanted to, but honestly, until doing this video right now, I never paid attention to that. That kind of stuff doesn't really bother me, but if it's gonna bother you, then keep the bag like this, basically, because that's just normal wear and tear. I do have my name luggage tag on there, but everything there is just, you know, that's just there. The back is still very magnetic. There's no issues with it there at all. And then the front as well is still very magnetic. You can see it pulling a little bit there. So no issues with the hardware of the bag. Everything looks great. Next, I want to talk about the leather of the bag. I think the leather still looks really, really good. I'm really happy because I've managed to keep the sides this stone color. I'm not sure what they call it, but it's like an ivory color. And I've managed to keep those clean, which was my only really area of concern since it is such a light color. The light beige color here still looks good, and the caramel up here still looks really good. On the back, and I don't carry this bag crossbody, so I don't know how it would do for color transfer with your jeans if that's how you wear it. However, I do see like just a little bit of marking here, maybe like a pen spot or something. Well, it's not coming off with saliva. Actually it is. Yep, okay. So I basically need to clean the bag because that just came off. But even that is like even color, looking good. I do have a slight indentation in the back because I've gotten into the bad habit of sometimes sticking my phone back there. Yes, I know. Silly girl. So once I noticed a slight indentation was starting with that, I did stop doing that just to make sure I could preserve the flatness of that back pocket. The bottom has also stayed very clean. The leather as a whole also stayed very clean. And I've loved that it's not bowing. It's not completely straight, but it's not like starting to sag like that or something, which is I think also with a slightly larger bag you start to anticipate that after a while, but I'm not seeing that, so I'm very happy about that. This orange colored strap has stayed incredibly clean. That is the inside, that is the outside. So I'm absolutely happy about that because I do carry it as a shoulder bag, or sometimes I'll carry it like this if I don't have time to throw it over my shoulder. So I'm very happy with how clean that handle looks as well. Now the suede on the inside is still completely smooth. There's no like sticky areas, you know, when suede gets dirty and it gets a little crunchy. There's none of that. It's in great condition. I've kept these little wrapper things on the zipper pulls and so on. Just haven't taken them off out of habit. I tend to keep them on bags as long as I can, especially bags where you can't see them because no one can see it. I just want to preserve the zipper pull. And the zippers themselves, I don't know if I'll be able to do it because it's just hard to carry it. But they are zipping and closing just nice, easy, no worries there. And I do use that pocket a lot to put my wallet and my phone in it to get it easily. I think I have a piece of lint in here. I do want to say that the inner piece here, it is fabric. The suede is only on this flap up here, but the fabric in here is the matching suede fabric, and then it also has that leather tag over there. But all in all, I'm not gonna say the bag looks brand new, because I think it looks used, but very, very gently used. I mean, it's very gently used. And then when you consider that I've had this bag in super heavy rotation for the last 6 months that I've had it, I tend to choose a bag and wear it for a week to 2 weeks before I move on and rotate to the next bag. And I want to say over the last 6 months, this bag has been in its week to 2 week rotation, probably 3 or 4 months. So it's, and once I'm rotating a bag, it's like constant daily use, to the gym if I'm going to the gym, to I'm in esthetician school, so to SD school, to what else do I do? Dropping the kids off and errands and all that kind of stuff. So I love to be able to just grab a bag that's already pre-packed full of my stuff. And so this one has really gotten around. I love this bag. I think it's gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. I thought I was moving away from carrying larger bags, but this came into my life and I discovered I was not. So I still highly recommend the Coach May shoulder bag. I'm really happy that the prices are more reasonable now that they've gone on sale. I'm not gonna pick up another one because of other bags to got my eyes on. There's always other bags, right? But this one I highly recommend it, and this pebbled leather has stayed really, really amazing for the last 6 months. So Coach quality is definitely on point. For the price point that you're getting it, I think Coach bags, you know, all that Coach classic bags that were built to last, I really feel like Coach is going back that way. So if you are even remotely interested in this bag, just run and pick it up, because it is gorgeous and you're not gonna regret that decision. So all right guys, thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed the review. Let me know your thoughts down below. If you picked up this purse at any time because you saw my videos on it, then please let me know. I'd appreciate that. That being said, guys, choose happiness. It's a choice. It's a choice that you get to make every day. You get to choose how you feel. I find that so empowering. I hope you do too. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.